everybody, and welcome to Hawaii Airline Premier Lounge here at Honolulu Terminal. Today we're celebrating the first of its kind. This is called Pauhana Friday event, and it'll be happening every first Friday. Am I saying the correct thing here? I hope so. And we're very happy to have with us Chef Chai. He's right in the corner back there. Nice to see you again, Chai. And also Chuck Ferruya is here. Where's Chuck? And folks, there's going to be wine over there. And I saw some poo-poos from Chai, so you're in luck on this Easter weekend. And so are Jeff Rasmussen to my left here, and myself, Auntie Sister Roby. Bye.